got a stash haul here, and I think I mentioned after I built the Yamaha Virago there, which was my first motorcycle, that I wanted to do more, and I did a stash haul where I've added a few. Well, I don't think I'm going to ever have to worry about motorcycles again, or at least not for the next several years. So this is a package all the way from Honolulu, Hawaii. And I had gone out and bought a 1 to 20, and is it down here? This 1 to 24, 1 to 20 kit. This Yamaha 750 Special, and unfortunately it came already partially built, even though you know, in the eBay ad it said, you know, unbuilt. The guy, he apologized profusely. He said, you know, he was told it came tape shut and he was told it was complete, but you know, so no biggie. So after seeing this and looking at it, I was like, that's pretty cool. I went out and looked. Now this is by a maker called Kauai. You can see number 7, and there's a set, I believe, of 8. Similarly, there's this company called, I believe it's pronounced Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, and they have a similar set. And I thought that I saw this on eBay, and I kind of went back and forth with the seller, which I enjoy doing, the art of the negotiation, so to speak, and came to an agreement on these. Holy cow, he really packed this up. But you can see, as I get there, it is a set of 8 kits that are basically the 750 or thereabouts of each manufacturer, of 8 different manufacturers. So there's the Yamaha TX 750, the Honda CB 754, the Kawasaki RS 750, the Suzuki GT 750, Harley Davidson SXE 1200, BSA Rocket 3, which I guess is a 750, the BMW R750, and the Norton Commando 750. So let's open one of these up and see what it looks like. Go with the Yamaha. And he said everything should be complete, but he thought the decals would probably be pretty old. Yeah, I think this seems like original bagging. I could be wrong. But yeah, if you can see that, so that's pretty tiny. And one question I had when I was out looking at these, I just finished the small scale group build. Does 1 to 20 or 1 to 24 count for that group build in a motorcycle? Yeah, so there you go. That's the tank and the frame, basically. So these are going to go on the shelf, and I should be good to go for the annual motorcycle group build for at least the next 12 years. But I just, you know, I thought I just saw this out there and I couldn't pass it up. And you know, like I said, I went back and forth with the seller, and we arrived at a decent price. And yeah, I think these are totally cool, and I hope I can squeeze them all in down there. We'll see. Okay, I did it. I got them all in there. There's one back behind there standing up this way, that 1 to 20 750. But yeah, so I should be good to go for the motorcycle group build for the next dozen years.